All right, congratulations. You want to set up an LLC in Kansas. Very exciting. There's a few things you have to think about before we get into the registration process, namely your name. So the first thing that you want to do with your business name is you want to make sure that it doesn't contain the words bank, trust, nonprofit. Those are some keywords you cannot have in your name. The other thing is your business name needs to include LLC at the end. So if it's Bob's Lawn Care Service, it's Bob's Lawn Care Service LLC. It's all together. The other thing you want to take into account is if the business name that you want to use is available for a website domain, meaning you don't want to create your LLC and then go try and make a website, search the domain names and realize you can't use your business name for your website domain. So do some research before you do that and you should be good to go. Also, before I get started, full disclosure, this is for educational purposes. I'm not going to actually submit an LLC because that would be considered perjury because the information I'm putting in is just random information. I'm doing this to show you the step-by-step guide of doing this and answer a lot of the questions that people have while they're going through this process of registering the LLC. I'm not going to hit submit at the end, but I will walk you through every step until you can hit submit. Also, another thing, there are companies out there that will charge you $100, $200, $300 for the service of registering your LLC. After you see how easy this is to do, it's kind of shocking that people pay for that, but it seems intimidating. It really isn't. And that's what I'm here to do, is to make this process as easy for you as possible. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Secretary of State for Kansas. And the easiest way to do that is just Google Secretary of State. It'll bring you to here. You need to make an account with the Secretary of State for your business. You'll go to the business section. You click on the business section, business login. It'll give you a choice to create an account. Create an account there. All you need is your email address, your phone number, and your address, and then you will have that account. And then you'll be able to register a business after that. So we're going to go to the registration business section. Now that we're here, we're going to go scroll down to kind of to look at a lot of this. You're going to go down to the limited liability company section. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on file online. All right, now that you're here, you're going to click on create a business. It's going to let you know the price to do that. So if you're doing an LLC, $160, hit next. And this is where you're going to put your business name. So remember to include LLC at the end of that. So we'll just do Billy's Lawn Service LLC. It lets you check the name to see if it's available. The name is available. The name is available. So if you want to use Billy's Lawn Service LLC, I'm not going to actually register this. It's all yours. So after that, you're going to hit next. Now, the resident agent or registered agent, depends on what state you're in, threw me off the first time I had to register an LLC. I had no idea what that meant. It kind of seemed like an official title, and I didn't feel like I was qualified to do it. But you are the registered agent for your company. All the registered agent is the state of Kansas wants to know where they're sending those business documents, legal documents, notices, anything associated with your business. They want to know who they're sending those to and who's responsible for them. And so that's going to be you. So you're just going to put it's an individual and you have to live in Kansas. And you're going to hit next. And then you're just going to put your information in there. So I won't make you watch me do all this, but I will fill this all out real quick. All right. Now that information is all entered in, you hit next. All right. Now that you're just going to review this information and make sure that it's in there correctly. Then you're going to hit next. All right. Then for this section, you're just going to put in your email address, and that's to get all the notifications from the state. And then you're going to put your signature here. You're just going to type out your name, and that's just letting the state know all the information that you put in there was correct to your knowledge. And this is where I'm not going to hit submit because I don't want the penalty of perjury. After you do that, it's going to submit your information to the state. And depending on your state, it's going to take about 3 to 7 business days to file that and get it back to you. Once it is filed, they'll send you an email letting you know that it's been filed and it's established, and you're going to get your articles of incorporation for your LLC. And the reason that's so important because you need the articles of incorporation for the next very important part of establishing your business, and that is to obtain an EIN. It's the employer identification number. This is your business's social security number, and you have to have this in order to file your taxes, open up a business bank account, get insurance, hire employees. There's a lot of different reasons that you need to have an EIN. You have to have one for your business. It's not hard to do. The other thing too is there's lots of companies out there, again, that will charge you $100, $200, $300 to set up your EIN. The EIN is easier to set up than your LLC is to set up. Click on the link below. It'll take you to a video that will show you exactly how to set up your EIN. Also, check out our business starter pack. It is a one-time purchase, which is going to include every document that you are going to need for your first year of business. I've curated these business documents over the past 15 years of operating multiple LLCs. Now, one of the most important documents that's in there is the operating agreement, and you'll need an operating agreement as well to open up a business bank account. Now, all of the documents that we have in there are customizable. So you'll open up your operating agreement template, fill out all information, and now you have a legally binding operating agreement. Within those documents, you also have multiple other documents. You have non-compete documents, you have non-disclosure documents, you have non-disparagement agreements. It has all the documents that you're going to need to legally protect your business from lawsuits, from personal attacks on your business, and everything along those lines. We've also created a community of entrepreneurs that are there to answer all of your questions that are definitely going to come up while you're operating your new business. Some of the questions that are going to come up that maybe you're not even thinking about now, but how do you hire your first employee? Where do you even find an employee? What's the best way to interview employees? What happens when you have to fire an employee? What's the best process to get that taken care of while still legally protecting yourself? How do you deal with angry customers? How do you deal with customers that leave bad reviews? How do you approach those bad reviews? What's the best way to create a website? How do you rank higher on Google? So when someone's searching for your service, you're ranking up as high as possible. We have professionals in each one of those categories. So check that out. We're here as a company to help you grow as a business. That's why I created our company, is to help new entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs that are just looking to take the next step. We have all the answers that you're looking for. Go check that out. Click on the link below and check out all the documents that we have there that are a one-time purchase. And I wish I would have had this when I started my first LLC. It would have saved me months of research, tons of time, tons of money, and more importantly, lots of headaches. So check that out and let's get your business growing.